Hi, Digitino here. I'm here to show you how you can use the Playmaker Gamejam exporter. So let's get started. First of all, here after you've installed or imported the Gamejam, you should have this folder, and then you can go to Playmaker, Add-ons, and Gamejam exporter to open this. Then you can see you can click on the rules, then you will get the website with all the rules, and then here you can click create package, but you need to fill up still before you can do this. So first we have here author, so that's going to be you, and me is DJ Dino. DJ Dino. Then the package name should be the package from your game name, or yeah, you can name it whatever you want, but you can use your other name, or you can use the name of your game. So my game. Then the submission folder, and that's going to be the folder where all your assets is inside. So everything what you have inside here, and everything. So from Playmaker stuff, you should leave here standard, so only your own assets, and then third-party assets that you would have, don't include them in that folder, only the things that you made yourself. Okay, then the target directory is just to select the directory where you want to save the package. Then description and instructions. Here you can describe some things about your game or some additional instructions. Then we have the third-party assets, so you should put your asset name here that you used. So say some free asset, and then the URL, something like this. Then press add, and you can have this in the list, and then you can put as much as you want. This, and if you would forget to press add, you will get also here a warning. So you have to add this, and you can put as many as you want, and then we can press create package. Also, like data maker, array maker, and UGUI and the utils will be included already inside the package. And also you will get this readme. It's made inside your folder, and as you can see here, so here you get some information here, and then the author, and then the description will be here, then the Playmaker version, Unity version, submission date, and also the assets used. So if somebody would get your package, he can see here what assets he need to install before he can try your project. Then also we have here tags and layers, so you can see the tags and layers, but normally they should be added automatically when you import. So after we have created, we can do a test. So remove the readme, and then open your folder, and then just import this again. And if it says you have nothing to import, it might be that the readme was not installed with it. So then you should try and create again, just to be sure. And as you can see, everything is included. So this should be good now. Also, the globals are included. So if somebody would import this also, be sure to do this in a new project, because it will overwrite the other file from the globals. Well, I hope you enjoyed your Gamejam and also this exporter, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.